Hi guys, this is a building foundation model is here. White color is the building foundations and red color is the columns and yellow color is the beams. So let's go with start how do we calculate the our foundations area, perimeters, and how do we calculate the our beams, columns area and perimeters. So we calculate very fast our concrete quantities as well as the formwork quantities. So let's go start. Now I'm giving to one command, H command here, and I'm choosing a different pattern here and giving to the scale is the 0.25, color white is okay, no problem. And I'm here selecting the object, like select one object here. Okay, very fast. You select once all, we select here. Okay, and we select this one and say to enter. Now you see we can select one time all our foundations. Already we selected here. Okay, so here we can calculate our foundation quantities as area and perimeter. So next for the columns, here again I'm giving to a H command here, and here I'm changing some color a different, can say red color, and here I'm changing the pattern, maybe I think solid. I will check here the solid. Okay, then I'm select one column here. Okay, one by one all column in one click, just select, yes, and select here also all columns you have to select here and here, all columns select, then say enter. Now column is ready. Third is our beams are here. So again we have to give to H command here. Okay, and here I'm changing a smooth paint pattern, another paint like this pattern. Okay, and scale is the okay. Then I'm have to choose our beams, all you select like that, yes, then say enter. Now the H is already prepared. Now we have to check our first area and perimeters, if the foundations here anything. So select, give to a command area command, enter. Okay, here you see select the object. So I'm selecting the see all foundations once are selecting, just click once here. You see the downside here you can see, or otherwise you open the command file here. You can see the area is the 600 meters, perimeter is the 240 meters. Now you can calculate what is the depth of your foundations. Just you click the area and depth, then you will get the concrete quantities, and the perimeter, total perimeter is this one. You multiply by the height, then you will get the your formwork. Same as like this, give to another command here and select area command here, select the object, then you come to here your column and select your column, all columns area once you get here. Okay, this is the 6 meter and the perimeter is the 24 meters. So you multiply height of your columns, then you will get the concrete volume, and perimeter multiply by the height, then you will get your formworks. Okay, and next one you see our beams here. Again you give to same the area command or repeat it here, then just select anywhere a beam like that. Then you again see the here area you will get. Area is this 120.995 and perimeter is the 2.5999. So you will multiply the area, then you will get your quantity of the concrete, and if they multiply the perimeter, then you will get the formwork. I think you understood very well. This is the very fast way to calculate the our formwork and concrete quantities. Otherwise, as same you can calculate the your block works, other quantities, like this is suppose this is a vertical wall like this. Okay, we are here in this area is the means the block work or some things is the money our blocks are there. Then all we have to draw first and then make the hatch and select. Once you will get the one time everything's all things will get. Okay, thanks. I think you understood. This is the very fast practice for the calculating the quantities.